Now, so for pulling off the saddle, I do it the same way every time, so I know exactly where everything is. Let me show you how I do that. So, pull the chest strap off, hook it back to it. It's going to stay right in between the bars. And then I unsaddle, or excuse me, take the cinch off. I hook it back to there. And I always do these the same way. If you make a loop and go behind and come back through, then you have 4 pieces of latigo. Just go around, up through, and back down. And they're not hanging all over the place. Same 4. These latigos are a little long for this animal. I just haven't got around to cutting them off yet. A little closer on the mule. Then I got these hanging down. Now that it's loose, I just pull this back and I put the bridging up in between the saddle bars. And the next thing I do is take the cinches, bring them right up in between the bars, and then the whole thing is one nice tight little package. And when you go to take it off, you don't have a bunch of stuff to trip over. It's all one, so when you go to put it back on, nice and easy.